Let us walk in this part that is not so hot because on top there that it's a bit hot. So this is the lower part here in Good Shepherd Banawa Hills. Then we'll walk here because it is so hot earlier. So I chose this part here. So it's a bit more rigid or more difficult compared to the part where on top, because when you look at this land here, so it's a bit difficult. So look at this. Yep, it's so difficult. So it's not that difficult unless that you have a companion, or in Bisaya is nakikauban na piang or pungkol, either naka-wheelchair or nagsungkod. So it's a bit difficult na you will tour them here or imo silang isuroy diri na part compared sa part dito sa taas. So okay, let's transition to some Tagalog and Bisaya vlogs for now. So pansin nyo dito ay medyo mahirap yung daan dito dahil ano siya, mabato. Mabato siya, then also and then wala siyang masyadong grass, so ano siya, delikado siya makaslide. So yung sapatos na sinusuot ko ay mumurahin lang. Binili ko sa Gaysa Notisa way back December 2022 sa mall na ang price ay 299 pesos at piso na lang ang kulang at 300 pesos siya. So this is just the reason na nandito tayo sa part na ito dahil hindi masyadong mainit dito. See this mga statue. This was a time that Jesus Christ ay, it's like that he is being accused of something, like in Bisaya gipasaginlan, or in Tagalog ay akusahan or pagbibintang. So yeah, here's my video of myself with these statues. So to be honest, it's almost been a year that I went to this part of this hill in Wood Shepherd, because it's a bit difficult in this area, like a little bit difficult for me, especially if I have a companion. Like I cannot focus or concentrate if I have a companion here, or in Bisaya is I cannot concentrate if na ako'y kauban or kuyog. Yep, see this. Yeah, ano siya? It's deep. And in Bisaya is laom siya, or in Tagalog ay malalim. Look at that. Yep, it's deep. The ano siya? Bangin or deep down the hill. So this is the limit of the hill, or in Basaya is kanina ang pinakalaw na part ani. Like what you can say in this world is at least there's a limit. Like it's not infinite for this part. Yep, that's the end part of it. Sa kalawom sa hill or sa bangin ana. So for those who cannot visit this area, like for some reason, like it's a bit difficult if you have a wheelchair here or a cane, or in Bisaya, songkod or the wheelchair. Is I'm going to be the one to tour you here virtually here in this part. Yeah, see that? It's a third part of the uh, sorrowful mysteries of Jesus Christ. Yeah, I think the video is a bit not that good here. This part there, so it could be seen there. So all I can say is this part, like we're in the Philippines, that it's like European trees here, or some parts of Asia. But mostly I can comment in this area of Banawa, Cebu City is like it's like European trees because it's thick. Like what you can say is like some parts of Spanish or Spain, but you can say that the European architecture in parts of this area. Yes, the fourth mystery of Jesus Christ of sorrowful mysteries, of some accusations that he experienced in his time in this world, in this physical world of ours. Okay, I think my face or image cannot uh, fit in this area anymore, so at least we already can see or know that it's the fifth mystery here of the sorrowful mysteries here. Look, a very deep part of the hill, like in Bisaya, kailangan ko yung nabangin. Okay, this part here is at least that we can fit my image here, like this one. Sixth sorrowful mystery of Jesus Christ of the sorrowful mysteries. Yeah, at least there are steps here, like or stair-like stones that are cemented in this area. Like it's not a bit difficult, especially to old people that are not handicapped or old people with no disability can tour around this area, but they just have to wear rubber shoes that could stick in this sand-like or stone-like parts of this stair-like cement because the grass in this area is not that strong. Like they might slip off, and they're old, and their bones are very, what we can say, dangerous to have bone fractures that can develop to bone cancer or even leukemia, the cancer of the blood, because our bones are the one that is, the bones has this spongy part, like just the bone marrow that makes up the cells of the blood. So old people has a very dangerous risk of it in case they have falls in this area, in case they want to tour here. Like if they want like to see the overview of this area, like they can just visit my video in YouTube or in Facebook, like just to watch my vlogs in YouTube about this. Also, this is also in Facebook. Yeah, look at this area. It's so cool in this part. That's why I'm in this area, because it's more cool here compared to the upper part. So the upper part is I'll just be there if I want some sunlight. But for now, it's so hot. So let's stay a bit in this area first. Then after that is we will go there upstairs on the upper area of the hill. Yeah. So look at this. Even though I did not apply makeup and also did not put any sunblock, is at least in this area, like your skin wouldn't feel the very strong heat of the sun. Like what we can say is that like the superstition or mystery of some old folks or some old people is true. Like when Lenten season is near or Good Friday is near to date, is the world is a bit hot. Like not just here in the Philippines, but internationally. In the United States is it's almost springtime in their area and in Europe also. But in some parts of the world like Middle East or India is, how will we say this, like it will become more hotter in their area, but their skin is already used to it. But us people, when we will go there as tourists, is we will feel the strong heat of the sun in their area if we will be a tourist in that area. Okay, look at this. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's pause for a while. So I will drink some water that I brought in my bag. Okay, so this is the seventh sorrowful mystery of Jesus Christ. So okay, that's the upper part of the hill there. Like we will just do some edits here because this is a public area. Like some people are passing by, and I don't own the place, so I'll just edit the area. Like I mean, not the area, like the video of this area. Okay, so let's drink some water. This one. Okay, we're back in this upper part of the hill now. So it is the eighth sorrowful mystery of Jesus Christ.